Good morning, students. How are you, students? Fine. Thank you. Very good. So, today we are going to read an interesting poem. But before we read this poem, I want to show you a beautiful video. Please enjoy and remember the video.
Watching a rainbow. After the morning rain, I'm watching a rainbow. Over the green terrain, I'm watching a rainbow. Shall we learn its colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and one more violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and one more is violet.
Okay, students, have you enjoyed the video?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. What is this video about?
The rainbow.
Rainbow. Very good, exactly. So, how many colors are there in the rainbow?
7 colors.
7 colors. Very good. Can you say the name of the colors?
Red,
Red,
orange,
orange,
yellow,
yellow,
green,
green,
blue,
blue,
indigo,
indigo,
violet.
and violet. Very good. And another question. When do you see the rainbow? Yes. After rain. When? After
Rain.
rain. After rain, we see the rainbow. Okay, students. So now we are going to read the poem. Okay. So now the poem is, what is the poem? The poem is the rainbow. What? The rainbow. Okay. Now we read the poem, the rainbow. Okay. So in the rainbow, in your book, the name of the poet is not mentioned in your book. But really, the name of the poet is Christina Rossetti. Okay, written by, the poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti. Okay, is that clear? Now I read the poem. Okay? Okay, students, then read the poem, The Rainbow. Okay? The poet of the rainbow is not written in your book, but it was written by Christina Rossetti. Now read this poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven over the tops of trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Once again I am reading this poem. Okay. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that reaches heaven over the tops of trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Okay, students? So you can also open your book and read this poem. First of all, this poem is about the rainbow, and it has 2 stanzas. How many stanzas? 2 stanzas. What are they? The number 1 stanza and number 2 stanza. That is the first stanza and second stanza. Is that clear? So this poem is basically comparison between the man-made things and natural things. Which one is the beautiful? So naturally the things made by nature is very beautiful. So here there are so many things are the man-made things are used and natural things are used. Then we understand it line by line. Boats sail on the rivers. What? Sail on the rivers? Boats. Very good. Boats sail on the rivers. Another question. Where do boats sail? Where do boats sail? Boats sail on the rivers. Then and ships sail on the seas. The same thing. And we can see the ships on the sea. But the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than this. But the clouds, you know. So have you seen the clouds? Have you seen the clouds? Yes, very good. Where do you see the clouds? In the sky. Very good. So here the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than this. Prettier means beautiful, more beautiful. Okay. So boats and ships are man-made. Boats and ships are the 2 things are man-made. Man-made things. And clouds is the natural things. What? Natural things. So that the boats are beautiful, boats and ships are beautiful, or clouds are beautiful? No doubt. Clouds are beautiful. And here the clouds are compared to the boats and ships. And another things, the rivers and seas, both are the natural things. The sky also is the natural things. Okay? These are the natural things. So here the sky is compared to rivers and seas. Okay? So boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than this. So here the on, across, they are the prepositions. What are they? They are the prepositions. Okay? Okay, they are the prepositions. So prettier is the adjective. Okay? Adjective. So here also the degree of adjective is used. Degree of adjective is used. Okay? What are the degree of adjective? You know very well that positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. Then the second stanza. There are bridges on the rivers. So we can see the bridges on the rivers. That means the rivers make a road from one side of the river to another side of the river. So as pretty as you please, naturally it is beautiful. But the bow, here the bow. Bow means, here the bow refers to, the rainbow. What? The rainbow. So but the rainbow that bridges. So bridges. So here the bridges is the noun form, and here the bridges is the verb form. Okay. So here the noun is the verb form, and here is the noun form. So the bow that bridges heaven. So the bow bridges heaven to heaven. Okay. Over the tops of trees. So we can see the rainbow over the what? Over the tops of a tree. And builds a road from earth to sky. So the rainbow builds a road. The rainbow makes 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 a road from earth to sky. Okay. So the bridge that connects from one side of the river to another side, but the bow or rainbow makes a road from earth to sky. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Do you understand the poem?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I am asking you some of the questions. Okay? What is the poem about? Rainbow. Very good. The poem is about
Rainbow.
rainbow. Okay? So the poet of the rainbow is Christina Rossetti. Who? Christina Rossetti. What sail on the rivers?
What sails on the river?
Very good. What sail on the seas?
What sails?
Ships sail on the seas. So clouds. So where do clouds sail?
The sky.
In the across the sky. Okay. So which one is the prettier? Which one is the prettier? Boats or the clouds? Clouds. Very good. And the bridges are more beautiful, or the rainbow is very beautiful?
The rainbow.
The rainbow is very beautiful. So that we know that the natural things are more beautiful than the man-made things. So in this poem is over. Now there are several questions on your book, and you can also do these tasks. Now just in a minute I will tell you in Odia. As you are Odia medium students, so I tell you in Odia. Boats means डंगा गुड़िक कौड़ी पहरती भासती नदी रे भासती से भलिया जहाज गुड़िक कौड़ी पहरती भासती समुद्र रे भासती किंतु बादल गुड़िक कौड़ी भासती आकाश रे भासती आ से गुड़िक डंगा एवं जहाज ठारू संपूर्ण भाव सुंदर बहुत सुंदर से भली भाव नदी गुड़िक अनेक गुड़िए पोल देखा पाई था ब्रिजेस कहले पोल सेतु किंतु रेनबो इंद्रधनु रेनबोर ओडिया कौन कहले इंद्रधनु सात रंग रे तयारी जोड़ा से कौन ना सबुठारु ए सेतु मानक ठारु आहुरी सुंदर से पृथ्वी रु आकाश पर्यंत कौन रखि थाए ना एक रास्ता तयारी करि रखिछि आ एडा होछि सबुठारु सुंदर आओ then there are several also the nouns, the singular and plurals are used just like as boat is the singular form, singular noun, and a plural noun here, that is boats. River, then rivers. These are the singular plurals and used in the poem, and you do the tasks. Okay, there are several questions and do the tasks in your book. Thank you very much.